Okay, look
Codify
for it.
everything. What do I mean by codifying everything? It means, first of all, you try to find out, because we're usually talking about problems, problem solving. Problems keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. So you look at each and every problem and say, okay, first of all, what is the problem? And then you say, now, what's the best procedure for solving the problem? And what have I been saying all along? According to counter-racist compensatory logic, all problems are solved through the process of questions and answers. So you ask that first question, what is the problem? Then you ask, what is the cause of the problem? And then you say, what's the best way to go about solving the problem? And you've got to solve the problem without making any. That's another thing. That's a part of the codification. You don't want to solve one problem and make 3 and 4 other problems in the process. So usually a problem that has to do with people has to do with some form of non-justice being practiced. So you say, okay, whatever this problem is, let's look at it. And let's see if anybody is being mistreated. That's number one. And number two, let's see if everybody is getting the constructive help that they need. That's the criteria. You just lock onto that, and everything else should fall in place. You say,
Okay.
first of all, is anybody here, anybody being mistreated? And if so, let's look at this mistreatment and see what's causing the mistreatment. Because nobody is supposed to be mistreated in any circumstance. And then number two, is anybody here who needs help? Now, usually, in answer to that question, everybody holds up their hand. Yeah, I need help. I need help all over the place. Everybody in the room stands up. I need all kinds of help. Then you slow everybody down and you say, okay, since everybody needs help, let's start with the person who needs the most help. Will the person that needs the most help step forward? And then you always start with the person that needs help the most and make sure that the help that they need is constructive. Now, some person might step forward and say, yeah, I need help. I need another shot of cocaine. Well, now, that's not constructive. You do need help. But the way that you are going about getting the help that you need is not solving a problem without making any. See, so your help, I mean, we'll have to pass you by on that and go to somebody else who needs
Right.
help in a constructive manner.